In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to adjust the brightness on your Sceptre monitor. It's simple and you can do it in just few seconds, so let's get started. First, take a look at the bottom or back right side of your Sceptre monitor. You will find few buttons there, usually labeled menu, up, down and auto enter. If you are using a newer model, it might have a joystick style control instead of separate buttons, but don't worry, the steps are almost same. So press the menu button once to open the on-screen display, also known as the OSD menu. You will see different categories like picture, color and system. Use the up and down button or move the joystick to navigate through the options. Go to the picture section. Here you will see options like brightness, contrast and sharpness. Highlight brightness, then press enter. Now use the up or down button to increase or decrease the brightness to your likings. If your brightness option is grayed out or locked, it's likely because HDR mode is enabled. To fix that, you need to go to the system section in the OSD menu, find HDR and set it to off. After that, go back to the picture menu and you will be able to adjust brightness normally. Once you are happy with the setting, press the menu button again to exit or just wait few seconds and it will close automatically. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.